Hey everyone. Look, I really wanted to try out a simple, affordable, tasty vegetarian stuffed pepper recipe in the Ninja Foodi. Now, this one certainly seems to fit the bill. So let's head over to the kitchen and give it a try. Well, next time I think I'd use green bell peppers instead. But you gotta know, the filling alone is really good and it could be used for things like tacos as well, or on its own. Try it out and let me know what you think. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link to the original recipe in the description below. So thanks for watching. Leave me a comment or, drop me a message. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel, and then hit that bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. Wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.